Hey guys, it's Kiyara and I'm back to you with another video. Hey.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really just know you.
I'm actually very excited to be making this video right now because this is going to be a stepping stone in my content creation. So I bought the Sony ZV-1F so you do not have to. Here she is. Now, I really wanted a vlog camera, and I've been seeing that Sony ZV-1F was a really good vlogging camera. Now, when this came, I did not open it because I wanted to unbox everything on camera, okay? Even went on Amazon and got all the different accessories that you need to go with this camera because I did a little research. So, we're gonna apply all the accessories that I got to the camera and have a blind reaction to what? The Sony ZV-1F. And I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, okay? All right, let's open her up. Y'all, I'm excited, okay? So when you open her up, it is a little hard to get this out. Hold on. Okay, so when you open her up, it comes with, I don't know, I guess a warranty thing. It kind of comes with a list of what you expect. Like, it tells you accessories so you can buy and compatibility. So if you do want to buy accessories. And then, of course, it comes with the manual. Before we actually get into the camera, let's see what she brings. So what is this? Okay. This is the little wind buffer that comes with the camera. So this goes on the camera. So there's like a lot of wind in when you're filming or something, it can like really block out that wind. And then it comes with a charger. And then this part is, I guess, the little battery. Yeah, this is the one battery they give you. Looks like this. This is the one battery that it comes with. Now for the real big thing we've been waiting for is Miss Girl herself. That's everything in the box. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, look at her. Okay. So the one thing about the Sony ZV-1F is that normally on other vlog cameras, the lens will be able to pop out. This one does not, okay? But I've been hearing really good things about this camera for vlogging purposes. I'm going to keep it a buck with y'all. I haven't been really hearing a lot of good things about pictures. I'm sure it can take a good picture, but I've been hearing that it doesn't come with a flash. Before we get into that, we're just gonna go ahead and open her up. Y'all, look, I guess it's the viewfinder, and then you can kind of like switch it around. And she look cute, y'all. She is actually a very beautiful camera. All right, let's go ahead and put that battery in her. So let's see. Okay, so all right, so you just flip the thing and it opens right here, and it has a little arrow right there. So I'm guessing you just slide her up in there. All right, let's turn her on. Wow, okay. Okay, so I had to get a little up close and personal with y'all, but there she is. Oh my God. Okay. Hey, y'all, this thing nice. Look at her. As you can see my little setup. She is cute. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says no card. That is because it does not come with an SD card. So I got this SD card right here, okay? This is the Extreme Pro 128 gigabytes by SanDisk. We're gonna go ahead and pop her in so we can start taking some videos. Alrighty, so y'all can see at the top, there is no SD card thing in there because we put the SD card in there. But y'all, I just want y'all to see, like, she's T. Like, so far, like, without any adjustments, any accessories, she is T with the light. Like, the quality is just superb. Like, it is touchscreen. I'm not trying to touch too much, but yo, it is like touchscreen. So we're gonna go ahead and film with it and see. I think it is already recording now. Is it? Oh, now it's recording. Okay. So this is the first recording on the Sony ZV-1F. She is cute. She is so cute. I'm loving this little viewfinder, y'all. Like, I am loving this. Like, I feel like for a vlog camera, this is definitely needed. And I'm loving her. All right, let's see if we stop recording. Now, the one thing I will say so far with this camera that I'm already noticing is that the battery is going down. I've been hearing a lot of mixed reviews. Let's see if I can find what I just recorded. So we're gonna press this button. Okay, all right, let's watch it together. So, y'all, so far, this thing is cute. Living up to my expectations. I'm not gonna lie, I will say the sole reason why I bought this camera is for vlogging. I already have a Digicam for pictures, and honestly, I would probably prefer a different camera for if you're looking for pictures. But if you're looking for vlogging, this camera so far has been exceeding my expectations. I'm not gonna lie. For vlogging purposes, it has been great. We're gonna go ahead and get into the accessories portion so we can really tap into her full potential. When I was doing some research, y'all, one, it does not come with a flash. This camera does not have a flash, and it does not have a continuous flash, meaning that this camera, whenever you shoot, the flash will not go like that. It won't. You need a light, okay? A light to get on top of this horseshoe. That's what it's called. So because you have to get a light to sit on top, it does not actually connect with the camera, so the light does have to stay on. So I went on Amazon and I got this light. By the way, all products will be linked down in the description below. And we're gonna go ahead and open her up and add her on. So it comes with the charger and it comes with the light. She's beautiful. Okay, let's see. Let's turn her on and see. Dang, this thing is bright. Look at that. And it just keeps getting brighter. Oh my goodness. And then brighter and brighter. So you do that by pressing this little button right here. But girl, she is tea. Hello. Hello. Okay, we don't need to be that bright. All right, we're gonna go ahead and slide her up in there. So you basically just slide her up in there. Wow. Okay, and I'm gonna tighten it. Okay, she in there. I think I can tighten it probably like a little bit more, but she in there for the most part. Let's turn her on. All right, so let's see what this looks like with the light. Wow. So this is the light that I got off Amazon, and y'all, it adds. Okay, it definitely adds to the quality. It was easy to put on, easy to set up. Y'all literally just saw me take it out the box. Just right out the box, slip it in there, and it looks cute. Cute. So far, this has been great, y'all. Like, I'm actually so excited. Okay, so we're gonna turn her off. And now, I know a lot of people have been like really skeptical because it's such a big like light. But honestly, y'all, if y'all are really into vlogging and really want to step your vlog game up, so far, this has been great. I'm not even mad at the light, okay? I like a ring light type thing because I feel like it really adds to the quality of any video. Now, for pictures, of course, this is gonna have to stay on while you take the pictures, but who doesn't like a little selfie light? Like, yeah. And of course, there's definitely smaller ones out there. I just got this one because I knew compatible with the Sony ZV-1F, and I didn't want to get anything that I was unsure about. So honestly, y'all, I'm not really mad. So the next thing I got from Amazon is this little extra wind buffer. I know one comes with the camera, but I've been doing research, and they say that one gets dirty very, very quickly, and it also kind of just isn't the best quality. So I went on Amazon and I got this cold shoe adapter that also comes with wind buffer. So let's open it up. Y'all, she kind of cute. Aw, she's cute. Okay, so I'm guessing you can also slide this into the cold shoe right here, and it also has an extra one here so you can put your light on it. So we're gonna slide her in. Okay, y'all, we just slid her up in there. This is what it looks like without the light. And then now we're gonna add on our lights. So let's see. But once you slide her on the cold shoe right there and you tighten this really, really tight, the light will literally like yo, this thing is good. Okay, so she got the little wind buffer and we got the light. So she's becoming official. All right, so we're gonna turn her on, turn the light on, and look, y'all. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and see if the audio is a little different with this. You probably won't be able to notice it right away, but when you're outside walking around and the wind is blowing, this baby right here will definitely help it out. All right, so we're gonna start. Hey y'all, so this is the Sony with the lights and the wind buffer. Hiya. Y'all, so far this is exceeding my expectations. Okay, even with just out the box, it exceeded it because, like I've been stating, if you're looking for a vlog camera, this is a good one for you. I will say that the only con that I've been seeing about this camera is, of course, the flash, and it does not have long battery life. Now, there was mixed reviews on that. Some people said the battery life was really good. Some people said it wasn't. But that's okay, because on Amazon, I got a little rechargeable battery pack that comes with extra batteries. Now, I'm gonna advise y'all right now. There's one thing that you need to get. It's this, okay? If you're really taking vlogging seriously, you wanna make sure that you got them extra batteries, you know, on deck, okay? So now I have 3 batteries, and it comes with a little charger. Now, the charging only has 2, so you can charge 2 batteries at a time, which makes sense because you charge 2 batteries, you have one in your camera, boom, one dies, take it out, boom. Or even if you charge them up before night, you'll at least know that 2 extra batteries will be charged, so you don't have to worry about battery life. So honestly, y'all, this is probably the #1 most recommended thing I would get if you're looking into getting this camera. I'm guessing you can also charge it. I think there's a USB-C and a USB, so you can really charge it and make sure that your batteries will always stay charged. So we're gonna open this one up. And I guess all you gotta do, I'm not gonna turn it on right now, but I guess all you gotta do is just stick them in there, y'all. Once this thing is charged up, stick them up in there. Okay, and last but not least, y'all. Last but certainly not least, for the accessories, a case. Now, y'all want to make sure that y'all got a case on your camera because this stuff is really expensive, and you want to make sure that you take care of your items, right? So I got this little case all off Amazon, and of course it's pink. What did y'all think? Pink, okay? So it also comes with a little lanyard. Now, obviously, you can get cuter ones than this. Like, this is just the one that comes with, so, you know. And then it also comes with 2 screen protectors. Now, you really need that screen protector, girl, okay? Because once you put that screen protector on there and the case, girl, you got the whole setup, okay? This is the case without any of the modifications. Look how cute she is, y'all. She is just such a cute little compact camera. Like, literally, this is my hand, and y'all, my hands are small. It's literally the size of my hand. Fit this in any purse, fit this in anything. This is so cute. All right, let's add all the modifications on real quick. This is the full setup of the Sony ZV-1F. So you got your external light, you got your wind buffer, you got your case, and you got the camera. And honestly, babe girl, you are set, okay? You are set. Now, the specs for this, so I got this off Best Buy for, I think, $500. The light was $20, this was $10, I believe, and the case was $7. So do the math if you will. Oh, and the battery pack was, I think, $20 as well. But go ahead, go on Amazon, do your own research, do whatever is best for you. But I really just wanted to set you guys up with a little beginner guide on how to really take your Sony ZV-1F and your vlogging to the next level, babes. Like, she is cute. Of course, there is one more thing that we have. So I had to get a tripod, of course. And y'all, she is on there. Look at her, look at her. So then it also kind of opens up like this. And it can go like really far, y'all. And then you just slide it back and then you tighten it. But y'all, she is a vlog babe. All right, so this has been such an enlightening process. All right, so my honest opinion about the Sony ZV-1F, I honestly like it. If you're looking for a actual vlog camera to get serious, an inexpensive one at that, I know $500 may seem expensive, but there are some out there for like $700, $800, $900, even $1,000. So to have all of this for a good actual working camera with a viewfinder, this vlog camera is the one for you. If you want to take vlogging very serious, this vlog camera is the one for you. Yes, I'm so excited to really indulge in her. I know coming up my videos, this will be what I'll be using. So my opinion from straight out the box, off the bat, the Sony ZV-1F is definitely worth your money. And y'all, look, I just changed the batteries that I got. Look, full battery. Don't even gotta worry about her, okay? She is a cutie. Now, for tripod purposes, I got this one because it does extend very tall, so when I do my videos like this, I can have the tripod in the back and have Miss Ting sitting on it, and she will look very cute. You do not have to get this big of a tripod. You could definitely get any tripod that you want. Just make sure that it has a little screw and it screws on like that. It is compact, and with the accessories, just make it 10 times better, okay? But yo, this camera, the Sony ZV-1F, is honestly really good, y'all. And she touchscreen. This thing is really cute. If you like this video, there will be definitely more videos to come. Do not forget that all the products will be linked down in the description so you guys can have the full entire vlogging setup too. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them. But yeah, y'all, this is so cute. This is so cute. I'm so excited. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
High volume. Am I really that much?